Okay, it's super dark, but trust, you guys are inside my closet. But today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a squishy. Like, easy squishy. So if you guys have gloves, get a glove, rubber bands, scissors, quicksand, slime, or anything that's like fluffy. Use that to put inside of your slime. And I'm using my quicksand. So, yeah. Let's get started. Alright guys, so first what you guys are going to do, get your glove and twist, like straighten it out, like make sure the fingers are together, and twist the fingers. I don't mean like gore, I mean like this. So, and then you're going to put a rubber band on it. Alright guys, we put a filter because I could not see you guys, but let's put the rubber band. Alright guys, we add the rubber band, and after when you guys do the rubber band, you guys cut it.
But Sukuna twisted the rule by ripping off his own finger and forcing it into Megumi, which let him hijack Megumi. One of the worst binding vows in Jujutsu Kaisen.
Like that.
Number 5, Mei's crow.
Oh.
Force her birds into a contract.
And then after when you guys do that, add sand. Or add any slime, or anything that you want to add inside. Okay, we can do right here. So nice. We're gonna add more, and I'll tell you guys. Guys, we are done. Now we're gonna tie it up. Hopefully it doesn't pop. Yo, look how cute it looks. Now we're gonna cut this. Cut it. Yay, I'm so excited.
These vehicles can survive an instant acceleration of 500 miles per hour. BMW E30M.
I just can't wait to squish
The
it.
last one is insane.
Oh my gosh. Cut this. Alright, time to squish.
Capsule bus.
It feels so satisfying. Yo, this feels so... It popped! Ah! Alright guys, we fixed it. Because it freaking popped.
Somewhere you're not supposed to be.
Oh, it's so satisfying.
One piece of clothing at 3 a.m.
We should do this with wax cracking.
Taking a shower after
Actually super satisfying. Slow raising. Don't tell me it popped. It popped! What the hell? Alright, it's okay. We're gonna fix it, but hope you guys like my squishy. Bye.